Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coding with A. My name is Ali, but you can call me A. So what we are going to learn today? So we are going to learn how to upload files in Node.js backend server. So for this purpose, we are using Multer library. What is Multer? Multer is a Node.js middleware. It is used for handling and uploading files to the Node.js backend server. That's it. So let me share my screen and let's jump into the code. I already created a basic Express.js server. If you don't know how to create a basic Express.js server in Node.js, the video link is already in description. Please have a look on it. So for installing Multer, let's go into the Multer package. Let's write npm Multer on Google Chrome or any other browser, so it will open the Multer module. So for installing Multer, copy the command npm Multer and paste the command inside our project. Yeah. So Multer is now installed in our project. So for importing Multer, let's write const Multer, const Multer from, sorry, require Multer. So it will know the Multer is imported in our project. So then we have to use a disk storage function from Multer for storing files to our disk. Let's scroll down to the bottom, copy the code from Multer module and paste it in our project. Yeah. So what this code is doing? This code is actually using multiple disk storage function for storing files to our disk. So this disk storage function has two options. One option is destination and the other one is file name. What destination is? For destination is used to store the file on that path, on that folder, and file name is used to rename the file and move the file according to your requirements. So let me rename the folder path and write it dot uploads. Yeah. So create an empty folder inside our project, uploads, because we are using uploads in destination. So after that, cut the code in file name and make the code simple and give the file name, the original name of the file. Uh, file dot original name. So it will rename the file and give the file original name and store the file inside the disk on that name, on that original name. After that, let's create a API for uploading file to Multer. The API name will be upload and we are using the post method. Okay, rest, you're done. Let's try catch block. For error handling, any type of error handling, error rest dot status dot status 500 dot stand json dot stringify error. Stringify is used to convert the JSON data into string. So that's it. So if the API is successful, what will be our response? 200 dot set give the request dot file give the file which uploaded in our which stored in our server. That's it. So this upload function, we have to use this upload function as a middleware in our API call. So how to use this as a middleware? Copy the upload, put upload here, dot single, use the single function from upload because we are only storing a single file. We are only uploading a single file in our Node.js project. So we have to use a single function. If we are storing multiple files, we have to use array, fields, and any other option. But for now, for this moment, I'm only uploading a single file. So that's why I'm using a single function from Multer. So give the name of the field which we are using for uploading file. I'm using avatar. You can give any name. Let's write file. Let's choose file. So let's use image. Yeah, image will be more good, more better. So that's it. That's the code. The code part is now done. Let's run the server and node won't start. So the API is now running on port 3000. So let's open the Postman and test the API. Postman. Yeah. That's simple. This is a simple way to upload files to on our Node.js project using Multer. Let's write a, oops, let's write a code localhost port is 3000. Yeah, upload. Yeah, body. From there, we are not selecting raw data this time. We have to select form data because we are uploading files. So write the name image here and select the file type file because we are uploading files now. So select any file. I'm using this file for uploading to our sender. So let's press send. Oh, you see, here's the magic comes. Yeah. Now the file is successfully uploaded to our Node.js backend server. Let's check the file is uploaded or not. Let's go on the server, check the uploads. So and open the file. You see, here's my image, man. So this is a file I uploaded. So the code is working perfectly fine. So this is done, man. So what we learn? We learn to upload files in Node.js backend server using Multer. Hip hip hooray. So let's upload this code in our Git repository. This is supported. So create a repository in our github.com. Go to github.com, go to repos, Multer project, write a project name, node, file, upload, express, Multer, here done, express Multer, file, upload, express Multer. So create a repo. So it will take few seconds to create a repo. After that, initialize a git in our project, git init command. It will initialize an empty git repository in our project. So after that, create a git ignore file, git ignore file. So put node modules inside that files to give the git idea so you don't have to track node modules. We don't need node modules in our git repo. So that's it. So it will not track node modules. So after that, write a command git add dot, then git commit for commit message. Write a message that file uploading using Multer is done. So that's it. So now push the port in our, so let's push the port in our GitHub repo. Let's go and copy the command. Before pushing, we have to initialize our repository in our project git branch manager. Copy the second last line, paste it, copy the last line. Hey, so the code is now uploaded in our GitHub repo. Let's refresh our GitHub repo. Yeah, that's done. So this is all for done today, man. This is very simple to upload files in our GitHub repo. I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you want to learn how to make a authentication API in Node.js Express.js server and how to build a CRUD API in Node.js Express.js server, the video link is already mentioned in our in description. So please have a look on it and please follow, subscribe if you like this content and if you like to learn more code uh, uh, and you enjoy watching these videos. So this is for today, mate. So let's meet next time in next video. So good luck for now. So we will meet soon in the next video. So have a good day. Bye. Take care. Bye.